Hello, I'm Uni Palmer. Welcome to my channel. In two countries, Australia, what I do when I live at the beach house, what I do every day, well, not every day, but usually what I do at the beach house, yeah, enjoy the atmosphere, like this one here. Just cooking, using all the ingredients from the garden. We got all sort of plant here. We got mint, sweet potato, galangal. I've got some cassava over there, papaya, banana, and so on. And then for the chicken, fish, and meat, I'll go to the market or to the local shop. Soft black sand, very soft. Go away. Beautiful morning. Very peaceful. No one around. I think this is the last frontier of West Bali. This is my morning walk toward a grocery shop to do my shopping in the village. There's a little farm, cows, nice garden, jungle full of bananas, teakwood, coconut, jackfruit. People. This is what I bought from the local shop today. 3 nasi bungkus, rice, cooked rice with vegetable inside, ready to be eaten. This is some cooked stuff, extra peanut sauce. This is tuna, 4 pieces of tuna steak, garlic, some cotton or 50 cents. I've got some rice, some a little bit of chili sauce, chicken, there's the rice, and I have some crackers here and tofu here. Okay, mari makan nasi jingo. This is where I do my work, my paperwork, on this long table. I do my paperwork here, and some to my sewing macrame project here with nice view. This is where I do my work. Nice spot to do work here. This is where I do my washing. We don't have washing machine yet for small stuff. I just wash it here. For a big item, take them to the laundry. We just harvested papaya today. Look, all ripe. This is not that ripe yet. This is the green one. Going to make some vegetables with it. This is still a little bit crunchy. Not bad. Now let's see this one. Now, not red, but it's very sweet. Sweet papaya. Two types, red one and orange one. Today I'm going to cook using wood fire in my traditional kitchen. It's a little bit windy, so the fire is a bit hard to start, but it's getting there. There's still nothing in there. You want to cook in the fire, you can't rush. Sudah panas, waktunya masukkan tempe. Ini panasnya kurang. Oh well, it's not hot enough. Oh well, this will be for tuna steak. I got garlic, salt, coriander and turmeric. I'm going to make some chili sauce, so get the chili from here, chili from the garden, nice big chilies, plenty. This should be enough to make some chili sauce. Tofu. Okay, it's part of the making. Okay, so I got the tuna steak there, marinated, ready to be fried. Green papaya there, little anchovies. This is for the chili sauce. And what else? There's the tofu. So this is the result of my cooking today. This chili sauce needs to be grinded, and the soup still in the pot. And this is the pot. Green pawpaw, tofu and tempeh. Kind of curry. Spicy curry. This is Sumbersari Beach at 5:30 in the afternoon.